back to the channel, guys. This is going to be exciting.
Super exciting.
These are some of my favorite videos.
Tool hauls, I love them because I love tools.
I love tools. Guys, this is the beginning of the tool haul.
Because we got a surprise
We got more coming. This is going to be an epic tool haul.
Yeah, I mean, this is going to be really cool.
Extreme. But guys, look at some of the stuff. We went a little bigger this time with some stuff.
Yes.
Let's check this out.
We'll start out with this.
We bought this right here. This was a deal. I don't know how much exactly.
I think it was $99.
Yeah,
for the fan.
And
you'll see why we're gonna need this.
Yeah, you'll see. But I mean, it's pretty cool because you just turn on, and I mean, it's pretty strong.
Yeah, it works good.
So we got this fan for $99.
It takes the battery, so not.
That's the most expensive thing that we bought, right?
Yeah.
That's it. Okay, guys, let's go on. You know me in these things right here. I'm addicted to buying these any chance I get.
The Irwin Vice Grip channel locks.
Yeah, they're you can't beat them.
They're really good.
Like I got these right here because someone stole one out of the pack, so they had it on sale for like $11.
Yeah, which you cannot beat. And this
no, look at that.
Itself,
look at this. I mean, if you know the what's that brand?
Kinepix.
These are basically identical. I mean, those are really good. And then I love
these. These are a little more expensive, but they're really good. The smaller ones.
Yeah, we use them a lot. But guys, so what I also find is these right here. We found these at Ross's, didn't we?
Yeah. Was it Ross?
Yeah. I paid. No, these were at Lowe's.
It's a Crescent
$4.
Yeah, $4 a piece for these.
Yeah, $8 for both of these.
Not bad at all.
You can't beat that, guys. What you can do is you can make sure that you shop around at these local places.
I mean, Lowe's is a great place because they have clearance.
Yeah.
But I mean, Ross, there's all kinds of places.
You'll see why we Ross here in a second. But now right here, these were on
clearance at Lowe's.
Yeah.
It was a damaged package.
Yeah, the package was tore up. So you want to save some money, look for the damaged package.
But this is a weird one. It don't have where you press down to open it. You just pull it open.
We don't know if we like this yet.
Yeah, but we'll test them and see. They're the real Irwin Vice Grip brand, so I mean they're good.
Yeah, they look pretty good. But now moving. Oh, here's one that I bought cheap.
Yes.
And
how much was this? You think?
This was like $6.
Yeah.
But I don't think it. I think it's dead.
No, it works.
Now look at that, guys.
That's a good lock.
That's a great lock.
And it's magnetic.
Look at that. Oh, guys, did you notice something in the background?
We got a banner.
Look at that, guys. It matches.
Let us know what you think about this because we're super excited about this. You'll also see why we need this.
Yeah, it's going to be like when we go to car shows too.
Yep, it's going to be awesome.
Yeah, it's going to be really cool.
So here's another thing we got. DeWalt bit set. You can never have too many of these. I mean, and this does steel.
How many pieces is it?
14 piece.
14 piece.
It goes from 1/16 all the way to a ½ inch. So, I mean, that's all we need.
Like $9.
Yeah, you can catch these on sale a lot of the time.
Yeah, for $9, you cannot beat it. Oh yeah, now this I got on clearance for $6.
$6 because they're having a closeout sale at Lowe's. We go to Lowe's every day, so that's why we always have something.
You can find stuff like this. Kobalt's not a bad brand.
No, I like it.
Now look at this. You get the ratchet, the extension, and then from what is this?
3/8 all the way up to 7/8.
7/8, all that.
It's a good set.
$6?
Yeah, not bad at all.
Check it out.
It's 11-piece set.
Guys, but if you go now and try to buy this one, how much is it?
$37. It's not cheap, but we got it cheap.
Yeah, now this is what we got from Ross.
Yes.
For $24.
Oh, this is mine. It's missing. Yeah, because I've already used this.
$24.
You get this
at for both of these at Ross because they were $12.
$12 a piece, which you cannot beat.
Yeah.
And those bits are the best. The screws stay in it perfectly.
Check it out. Those are really good.
Yeah,
guys.
they're really good.
This is just the beginning, guys. Now here,
it's gonna only get better from here.
Yeah, here is one of. Is that magnetized?
No.
Here is one of my favorite things. These are Klein wire strippers.
Edition.
Look, can they see that, Hunter?
Right there, they can.
They have an American flag. I mean, you can't go better than that.
What's cool is my watch. I can see what's on the camera. So
yeah, that's why he's sitting there looking at that. And then I got these. These come with it. The linemen. You can't beat that. They were. It's a special edition.
They were more expensive.
No, the fan was still a little higher, I think.
I mean, they were more expensive than like.
Yeah, I mean, this wasn't a deal.
It was like $60.
But you know how.
But you can't buy those separate and pay that little bit.
No, because these right here
are $60 itself.
Yeah,
they're 50 something. So I mean, it's a good deal.
And then you get these.
I want them so bad, but I didn't have money at the time to get them.
But I mean, they're here. We got them.
Mine now.
But guys, you can't. Those I spent money on because you can't beat Klein, can you?
No, you cannot. I think they're the best electrical tools that I've used.
Yeah.
I mean, I haven't used any more. I use
Milwaukee.
Milwaukee. Southwire. But I think that those Klein strippers are my absolute favorite.
Yeah, I mean, I've used it almost every brand.
I know I think this is the best because it just strips the wire with so much ease, and it's spring loaded, so it pops right back.
And you know how I love the spring load.
Yeah.
But guys, the best deal of it all.
One of the most
far.
important things we've needed. So, and here it is.
Need?
Yeah, we need it.
We have a bunch of these.
I know, but what we're going to be working on, we need them.
Oh yeah, that is true, guys. Oh goodness.
Yeah, they're not a lot.
These, I paid $28.
$28 because we were Inside Track Club members.
Yeah, and they were running a sale. Guys, you can always get a deal.
You just got to look around.
Yeah, I mean, in this right here, we have about 200
something dollars in it.
Yeah, about $270.
Just because of this was so expensive.
And these.
Yep.
These. This right here that's the bulk of the money.
That's almost all the money right there. But I mean,
the rest of this stuff was the deals.
You find deals, and I'm really excited about the yellow jack stands because it matches my toolbox.
Yeah, I said we have to get the yellow. I wanted the green, but I thought, well, the
yellow matches.
So
I mean, we had to go with the yellow.
We have to. But guys, we're gonna catch back up with you with some more epic tools at a different location,
and that's gonna be in Florida.
So we'll see you in a minute. Guys, I can't forget this we picked up.
Paint gun.
We paid $25 for this.
Yep.
Not this. But guys, that was such a deal. So let's get to our next location and see what we got. Alright guys, we're here at the beach for one.
Panama City Beach.
Panama City Beach. We have been looking for days. Like last year, we got a great tool haul here. And we got a beginning of our tool haul. We was going to do our second half here. We thought but it's been a bust so far.
It's been hard finding stuff.
Yeah, but we think we found something that will be great for the channel. It's something we don't have.
And it'll be good to have.
And it will be good to have because we can do multiple things.
But they're wanting the price of brand new.
Yeah, one guy had stuff and he said that he was going to sell it 50% off.
Well, this one pawn shop was they wanted $160 for a used half-inch Matco ratchet.
Yeah, half-inch Matco ratchet. They wanted $160,
which you can get off the truck for $190.
Yeah, so why not pay $30 more to buy it brand new?
If you were going to buy it.
Yeah. So guys, we think we found something. So let's head that way and let's get it. All right, guys, we're back to the room.
We are back and we are super excited. It wasn't a bust because we got a table full of stuff.
Yeah, I mean, we found some stuff finally. Yeah. We thought at first, oh my goodness.
We looked everywhere and we could not find anything, but we finally did.
But guys, let me show you something. I want you to look at Hunter here. These hats go with anything you wear. Look at this. We're in our beach attire, and our hats go good. They look good.
They go with any outfit.
Everyone recognizes them, compliments them. The young guys are like, hey, cool hat.
So you need to go to pricecustoms.com and get you one.
Yeah, make sure you get one. This. But guys, so, well, let's show them the first thing that we got here was, we love these things right here. But you know what's funny is we had to buy this separate.
Yeah, we got the VP Racing Jug, which is a desert tan with the green top
and camo
decal.
Yeah, we liked it, and so to get this, you had to pay.
You bought this, and then they sold this separate. I'm like, you need both of them. They used to give it with it, but not anymore.
No, not anymore. You know how times are right now. But guys, we got some stuff. First thing I want Hunter to show you is something that you know he loves.
This is a snap-on, half-inch, 15-degree angle, reversible ratcheting wrench.
How many teeth?
I think it's 120. I could be wrong. It could be 90, but
it's so smooth.
It's really nice half-inch. I'm super excited about this. I wish I had a full set, but that'd cost a lot of money.
Yeah.
But this is super sweet because it has the little thing where you
Yeah,
can
we
switch back and
needed
forth.
that on the Mustang.
Yeah, because we were you saw on the Mustang when we was working on the what was that?
The
Thermostat housing, and one of the bolts kept getting stuck, but our wrench got stuck because we was using ratcheting in, and it wasn't reversible. So this will come in handy.
But guys, we also picked these up for our fun of videoing.
Oh yeah.
Check these out.
You got our shades.
So I mean, you gotta have some of them.
Oh yeah.
These would be good for us. But guys, here's one thing that I wanted to show you. I've been looking at these at Harbor Freight for a while. So we got this one. But not only did we get this one, but
we got the underhood whole rig.
Here, yeah, that's shown. So, bam. Put it under there. Let's flip it this way and turn it on.
Oh, turn on like that?
Yeah, so they don't get blinded.
Okay, how do you turn it up?
There's a button back here somewhere.
Look how bright that is. That is super bright.
Does it flicker the camera?
I don't know, let's turn towards the camera and I can see. It ain't flickering, so that's a good thing.
That's what we've been.
But we'll have to see when we get back to the shop for real.
But guys, this is going to help us out right here. We have that.
We got to get doing that because brand new there.
It's $100 at Harbor Freight for one light and this.
The thing.
But we got one light. We got two lights and this
for under $70.
I thought
or right at $70. So not bad.
And the charger.
Yep, we weren't going to get it if we didn't have the charger cord because there'd be no point.
And that guy's like, well, we have it, guys. But here's what we were talking about. Might be good for our channel here.
It is this chisel set. Let me look on my watch and see if it's in camera. If you hold it there. Yeah, it's in the camera.
All right, you point out everything here.
Okay, we got it's a striking. So like it's made, we can hit a hammer on it, and it's a chisel set and a punch set. So
we got punches. When we do our engine work,
we can mark everything.
Clean off gaskets. I don't know what this one would be for.
I don't either. But I mean, there's all kinds of
guys,
them.
if you have one of these, comment down below what you think. And
you just press this button and slide in.
Yeah, like here, show them right here.
Okay.
Hey, be careful. Those things are sharp.
Very sharp. And then you just take your hammer and bam.
So we're hoping this will pay off in the long run.
I mean, it's sweet. I like it.
Yeah, but this is what we thought would really help us with our channel. With, on building motors.
Because I mean, we love doing motor work, and when we're using the punches we have, it gets kind of sketchy because if you miss with that, you're hitting your fingers and it hurts.
Yeah, and some of that stuff that's been on there for years that we try to scrape off, you can't do it with just a regular.
So you need something to hit. And let's talk about the other thing.
What's that?
Right behind you.
Oh,
what I got to do with my Jeep.
This is for the channel. Well,
really for me, but
but we got it. Guys, look at that.
Jeep American flag.
That's pretty cool.
That is sweet.
But guys, we had a good time. We're going to enjoy our vacation now, guys. We're going to take you along on some of it.
Yep.
We're going to take you on an epic
airboat ride.
I'm
super
make sure
excited
you
about
stick
that.
around to the end and see what you think of it and let us know. And we'll put down the link or the name of the place and stuff.
Yeah, I'll put it down below because it was a really good place. And you see this banner we got? We talked about a reason we was needing it. We'll pop in a picture right now of why we needed this banner.
Yeah.
Because you'll see right here. You show it.
Ooh.
Look at that. What do you think?
Oh, so beautiful. It's historical.
It's like my favorite part of Alabama.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Eufaula.
I don't know how you say it.
I think that's Eufaula.
I think it is, but this is like a historic town.
Very historical. Built something. Goes down that street.
Yep. There's all kinds of old buildings. It looks really cool.
Closer up here. There's more.
Yeah, there's a big one up
ones.
here.
Yeah.
Hallie's a good driver. For once.
But I think that's like I'm number one. That's
Yep.
why
Look at that one. Man, that's nice. There's so many beautiful houses.
Yeah.
I want one of these houses.
Ooh. Pothole.
What'd you say?
That one, pothole. That one has been under construction for
3 years?
Yeah.
What would you say? Yeah, Buc-ee's?
Yeah, Bucky.
Now we're out of it. It was that short.
Oh, there you have it. That's Eufaula, y'all.
So let's head on to Florida. at this awesome restaurant called Wicked Wheel. It's perfect if you like cars and stuff. We'll show you a little bit inside because they have like motorcycles, engines, all kinds of cool things. So let's hop inside and show you what they got. That food was so good, I'm so full. But that's my kind of place. The host stand was a Snap-on Toolbox. You know how I like Snap-on.
So you know we got to come back.
Oh yeah, we're definitely coming back.
Dawn's up first.
Come on, Pat. Let's see what you got.
Didn't have much.
You hit it in the wrong spot, didn't you?
Okay, it's going in.
Bounce off. Up. All right.
Okay. Just count me out, whatever. Just count me out, whatever.
Okay. Holy crap.
Whatever it rolled in me. I don't even know if I have this.
Get the paper.
That is the only one thing got in there.
Oh. What's the odds?
I know it. Would have happened.
Close, honey. It's cool you putt both ways, lefty and righty. Bam!
Oh.
Just say something to people.
2.
Go ahead.
You hit me?
Holy cow! I just thought I was going to get hit that time. Oh, easy. Now you gotta run and go get you a ball real quick.
If you fell in there, I would have
You just stayed in there. Look, there's a ball in there right there, a white one.
That is why I'm trying to hit it in my mouth.
2 for old Hunter.
Here's your mommy, Todd.
Oh yeah. We'll give you 4.
Give me 5.
Give me 4.
I gave you 4.
And the first one I hit was a whole
Holy crap. Where'd it go? Nope, it went through. Over here might be easier. Watch out for the bucket. Don's going 4-wheeling.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me get over here. All right, come on, sir. Whoa! You got it right here. Oh!
Put me down.
All right. Go ahead, Minda. Holy crap.
Where'd it go?
There it is.
Oh.
She's coming down the pathway to victory. She's gonna putt left-handed. And of course, she banks it.
I wish it went in.
Bam. Crap, Hallie, I don't see how. Look at that.
Or just to put it on the green.
Hey, just throw it on the green, baby.
Just set it on the green. You're trying to act so calm and pull together when you know you just really want to
Do a curtsy.
hit it.
Get your mom's out there. Oh, you did? Good girl.
Honey, here. You go up
Just
there.
aim.
I don't know where
Just
I'm
touch
aiming
the
at.
screen if you want to see it.
Almost. Hunter, are you nervous?
No. We just finished mini golf and I won.
But hold on. Let's say it. Who was keeping the score?
I was. But I
Okay,
won.
that's all I'm saying.
You came in second.
That's all I'm saying.
And then Hallie came in third. No, Hallie and Papa came in third. Mom came in fourth. So Mom lost.
Amanda lost. But in my book, she won.
So let's go back to the hotel.
So, hey, Hunter cheated though. Dadgummit. That's one.
I caught it. I can't believe I caught that. It's hard catching one-handed. Yep. Yep. Here we go. Let's try to catch this one-handed. Dang it. And the wind would not let me throw it. You gotta throw it up a little. Here we go. There we go. Caught another one. I'm getting good at this. The throwing I can't help because of the wind. Oh crap. I almost had it.
Yeah, but you can do it. You can do it. He's got good hands. Get over here, we're gonna run around.
What are we doing?
Run around. Slant. 10 yards out and slant.
Slant's gonna be hard to catch.
You're gonna learn. Ready to go.
I can't dive going that fast. That would hurt me too bad.
Alright, let's just do a go route then.
Here, you film my throat.
Okay, yeah, I can do that. Alright, you ready?
What are we doing?
We're just gonna go slant again. This time you're gonna sell out for it.
Then I gotta go slow, so don't throw it fast.
Okay, he's gonna go slow. Alright, go. That's too slow. Dive! Hunter, people's gonna say you're the worst actor. People are gonna say you're the worst actor. Cause that was the most telegraphed dive I've ever seen. He's chicken. You better lay up. Oh, you almost had it. You almost had it. Come on, Hunter. Oh Lord. You caught it, Hunter. Let's help him get up. Dude, you're nasty.
Yeah, I'm covered in sand.
Alright, go route. Here we go. Go.
Let me keep going.
Alright guys, we're excited because we're taking an adventure right now.
Yep.
I mean, we're going to go face crocodiles and who knows what
On
else.
an airboat
On
ride.
an airboat, man. So we're going to take you along with us. You can see what it's like to ride an airboat down here in the Florida swamps. I don't know where
PCB.
it is. Is
Panama
it the
City.
swamps though?
Yeah.
So hopefully I can get a gator in a headlock and we'll see.
So let's head that way.
Alright, well we're here at the airboat place. I think that might be our
Wild Thing Airboat.
Here it comes maybe.
Yeah, it's cool. We're excited.
So guys, we're gonna get on here and see what we can find.
Hopefully a gator.
Yeah.
There you go. The only bigger one we have is Chomps, and that one's in there.
He
And
wanted to ride the big
the
one.
one in there is about 2. Easy peasy.
Yeah, easy.
I'd recommend it. There's a big dog that's about to get hit back here, but
it was really cool.
It was cool. The guy was pretty cool that done the boat ride. He's a cool guy. But I like how they do all those
the spins and everything. We didn't get to see gator, but it was still fun.
He said that he didn't see one all day. But hey, it's worth taking a trip. Check it out next time you're down in Panama City Beach.
Panama City Beach. It's Wild Thing or Swamp something. I think it's Wild Thing Airboat Tours. I don't know the full name.
Wild Thing Swamp.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's something.
We're out here walking the beach. It's nice today. A couple of days ago it was a little cold out here, but now it feels perfect. So, I mean, we're just enjoying the weather walking.
We're trying to get to that.
Get to the pier.
We might go past it.
Let's go past it. I don't care. Hey, we made it to the pier.
That speaks it right there.
Yeah, American flag. America's what it's all about.
Should we swim out to the end?
Saw you. Yeah, look at that. That's America. Should we keep on walking?
I'd say a little bit, then we can go back, because that just looks cool up there.
Yeah, it does.
Now look over there. Those people know the way to my heart.
KFC.
KFC. And if you want something good to eat, KFC.
I don't know.
No, we found a good place for chicken, didn't we?
Wicked Wheels.
Wicked Wheels, Panama City Beach. Check it out, but I love that umbrella.
We'll probably go there again.
I think we're going tonight.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate every one of you. It don't cost a bit more to dream big than it does little.
Let us know what you thought about this tool haul here.
Yeah.
I mean, it's sweet.
It's sweet, because I will dream big.
I serve.
A big God. Thanks for watching. See ya.
Peace.